Hi, I'm Emily Springer with My Mini Casa. Today we're going to learn about how to use the tool, which is My Mini Casa's online sales software. In this video, we're going to talk about users. Underneath the User tab, you're going to see Profile, Image Gallery, Log Out, and Dashboard. Your profile is what you create within the system to help you stand out. So, the first thing you see is your sign-up URL, which you can send to prospect agents that would like to sell underneath you. So this is your link that you can send them so they can automatically sign up and be placed on your team. Your purchase URL is something that you will use in your ads as well as sending to prospective customers. You send this purchase URL and they fill out their invoice information and they can pay from this URL. It makes the process very simple. But in order to use that, you want to fill out as much information on your agent profile as you can. So you'll want to upload a photo, but make sure that you understand that it will be sent out to customers as well as other agents. This is your trainer's information. If you have any questions, need any help, need to reach out for a sale, anything like that, you're going to go to your trainer. Here you can select to allow your trainer to see your invoices. Why that's beneficial to you is that they can aid in the follow-up process. In order to add page content to your profile, you're going to want to put something similar to an ad and some very personal information. Your background, your story, your sales pitch you want to put here in this content. So when the customer goes to purchase the container, they feel that connection with you and are comfortable making the invoice themselves. You want to make sure that you upload your direct deposit and your W-9 into your profile so we can pay you. The direct deposit and W-9 forms are in the training tab of the agent profile, which we already looked at earlier. They should have also been sent to you via text. So make sure those get uploaded in your profile. I hope you found these videos very informative and you've learned a lot. I hope that you do well in sales, getting your ads and quotes, and using the daily calendar to track your progress. I look forward to working with you in the future and seeing you on the rankings board.